Alrighty, what is up, everyone? This is Emmy and Eden's fire. This is Eden Balk on behalf of Emmy's boyfriend. Emmy and Eden's fire alarm channel. So let's get started. This is actually the first system test on my new system fire alarm channel. So we're gonna go ahead and start. Right here we have a system sensor SW right here. Just want to set on 15 Candela. We have a system sensor SPS CRL. 15 Candela to 25 volts and 2 watts. SPSRL, same thing, 15 and 25 volts, 25 watts and 25 volts and 2 watts. 25 volts and 2 watts here. System sensor SPCRL. SPRL, 25 volts and 25 volts and 2 watts. Right here, we will be testing the smoke detector today. Today we will be testing the 2400. This right here is a BG12. This is a double action pull station. And right here we have an Emmy and Eden EAS's fire alarm panel. So that's my fire panel actually that I made. So ignore that. I currently heavily set on the national anthem video, so cut the music on. Let's get started. We'll start when you start the tractor. And we can play a voice message.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire alarm reported in the building. Please proceed to the nearest exit and evacuate the building.
As you may know, it went back to the BGM. And it's going to go back to the Jack Sands version. And we're going to test the pull station again.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire alarm reported in the building. Please proceed to the nearest exit and evacuate the building.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. That's going to do it for system test 1, I believe. We will come back on for system test 2. Goodbye, everyone. Take care, everyone. This is Emmy and Eden's fire alarm channel on behalf of Emmy's boyfriend, Eden Balk. Signing off. Take care, everyone.